As your partner in dialysis care, we would like to share with you a behind-the-scenes look at our manufacturing facilities, where our advanced automation and employee dedication help deliver the best and most reliable technology. So together, we can focus on what matters most, the patients. Welcome to our state-of-the-art Ogden, Utah manufacturing facility. The fibers in our Optiflux dialyzers are designed to give you the balance of optimal urea clearance and an albumin-sparing design. Our highly automated process allows us to spin over 136 million miles of fiber per year with precision and quality. Our automated process turns individual fiber strands into a bundle for assembly within the Optiflux dialyzer. All the components of a dialyzer come together in an automated assembly. Fiber bundles in the blue protection wrap are inserted with precision. Our cutting-edge inspection system uses high-speed cameras to help ensure the highest quality products. Our certified, highly skilled operators interact with the automation to perform key steps through the process. Precise automation is used for the movement and control of the assembly process. We manufacture a wide range of dialyzers to meet specific patient needs. Our innovative vision system, along with our certified operators, inspect every dialyzer to help ensure the highest quality and reliability. We employ high-speed robotics during the packaging process to ensure continuous and uninterrupted product supply. We are vertically integrated to control the quality of many components, producing 1.5 million injection molded components per day. Robotics are used to expedite the transfer of materials throughout our 1.2 million square foot facility. In addition to dialyzers, saline is manufactured at our Ogden, Utah facility. Our operators work in highly controlled environments to manufacture drug products like saline. We are committed to research and quality control using medical device and pharmaceutical regulations. We manage our entire supply chain, from raw materials to finished products. We focus on what matters most, the patients.